gosh, I look so tired. I am going down for breakfast now. Everyone's already downstairs, but I slept in a little because I'm tired, and we slept pretty late, so breakfast time. How are you feeling, Christelle? Alright, we are out for lunch. Not out, but we're still in the same resort. But we are in a Mexican style buffet, which we didn't know it was a buffet during lunchtime, but it's right by the beach. So nice. You can't really see me, but there's our view. Here's the first plate. How are we feeling on your 30th?
Very relaxed.
Very relaxed. So I just decided to get a big salad to start because, well, we're gonna be doing a lot of drinking, so reserving the calories for the alcohol. Am I right?
Correct.
Here's the mimosa, apparently in a plastic cup. So we got some nachos, of course some guac, always guac and salsa, some lime, and lots of veggies. Oh my god, look what they did to Christelle's bed. And they knew this is your bed somehow.
Oh yeah.
I mean, they probably just randomly picked, but
That's still weird.
look how cute. They wrote happy birthday because they knew it's Christelle's birthday. They got the flowers. I'm like jealous. I'm like, I wish it was my birthday.
I would love the bottle of champagne, but I mean.
That would be nice too. Is there anything under here? Nope, it's just a flower.
Yeah, it's gonna be towels.
Oh, that's cute though. I don't want to ruin it. Ooh, don't we look lovely? How are we feeling, Christelle?
Old. I'm really wearing this up.
Oh, thank you.
Your hair.
Oh, thank you. Look at Christelle just feeding me all the compliments. I mean, I already said it that she looks lovely.
Well, it's like lips.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna go for dinner. We're going to the Japanese restaurant. Oh my gosh, woman. Making me run here. Okay, so we're gonna go to the Japanese restaurant. Thank you so much. Look at this.
Isn't it?
So this is lovely. So we are about to have Christelle's birthday dinner. Woohoo! And we're gonna go to this Naga Hibachi Japanese restaurant. So this is, ooh. Oh, is it like okay. Hello. Oh, thank you. It's one of these, okay. This is our view. We got this going on. Say hi. Oh my, you guys are adorable.
I know, but I'll have it.
I'm pretty hungry. So this is vegetable tempura, agadashi tofu. They call it soya cheese, which is weird, but I think it's just tofu. And then rice, which I did not order, but I will gladly eat. Say hi. You think that's enough oil?
Okay.
It's an onion and oil mountain. Not really understanding what he's doing, but we'll find out. We've got like rice going on. We got veggies going on here. We got an onion, oil mountain. Woo!
Also, we have
Yay! Woo!
Somebody gets to tell
He made us rice. Garlic and soy sauce. Probably lots of oil. Looks great. So I think I have noodles.
That's ready. That's fine.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. It's your worst nightmare. That was amazing.
Why is there like a nut?
Oh, I don't know. That was just great. I just loved it so much. Here's my fried banana when I feel like I want to puke from eating too much food. Great. Oh, they were so cute here. So we just had dinner. It was very nice. We're gonna come back here, I think, on our last night. But we are so full now. I kind of feel like I want to sleep. But we have tickets for Coco Bongo, so. Good morning. We've survived. I've survived.
Yeah, you've survived.
Christelle's perfectly fine. I'm feeling okay. I could feel better, but you know. It's Tuesday! Yay! Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I just said what?
Did you just say what?
What?
It's Tuesday. We're gonna go and just lay by the beach. That's the plan. We're gonna go eat breakfast first. Oh, I look like I've had a night. How do we feel? Do we feel fantastic?
I feel great. I actually do. I'm ready to get back on it.
Oh man. All right, breakfast time. They actually have vegetarian paella, which is nice.
Really?
Mm-hmm. A huge salad, of course, guac and salsa. Whew. I'm actually quite full, but gotta have some fruit, and I want some protein and healthy fats. Lunchtime. Is it getting repetitive yet? But today they had some beans. What are these, white beans? So gotta get my protein in, and then some pasta, corn, grilled veggies, and they even had broccoli. Yay! I'm so living for this plate. Just want to take it home. Starter. Cheers. Vegan fajita.
Solamente una pregunta. Double check your belongings.
We are in Shelha.
So hungry.
We're really hungry. We're very kind of tired, but we're gonna spend all day here. This is our one excursion. Woo! It's sunny. At least it's sunny, hey? I came here in 2009, I think. The first time I was in Mexico. So this is my second time here, and we're gonna do some activities. Snorkeling, maybe some cliff jumping.
Maybe.
I'm usually pretty chicken. Are you gonna do it?
No. Lazy river.
Lazy river, floating, so it should be a good time. It's all natural park, which is pretty cool. Christelle's just not wanting to talk until she gets some food, so.
Very hungry. Oh, here comes those who skip.
What are these guys doing here? Oh, look at this. Can I just lay here forever? I'm not understanding this dynamic. Can they fly? I'm so confused. Food. Finally, we got some tacos, rice, veggie, lots of guac, peanut butter, nachos.
Do you ever forget?
Yummy. We got some fruit, some muesli, coffee, watermelon juice. Here we are. We finished breakfast. Now we're gonna go explore, dip our feet in. Ooh! Woo! That's refreshing.
Yeah.
Exploring time.
But this video is kind of nice.
I'm about to dig in. Plate number 1. I'm sure many to come. Mojito! Hi. More food. When your lettuce comes like this, without being chopped, we make a salad the Korean way. We're gonna add in the ingredients to make a salad wrap. I got some beet, some guac, some salsa. Wrap it up. I feel like they're gonna attack. Okay guys, we've discovered some creatures. We're unsure of what they are, but all of a sudden they're everywhere. We don't know where they came from.
I'm gonna look pretty tiny.
That's fine. They're used to humans. I don't know what these are. There's so many. Holy. What are these creatures? Anyone know? Say hi, Christelle. So we are almost done our day here. And now we're just laying on the hammock. Did a lot of snorkeling, saw a lot of fish, and looks like I caught some sun. And we're about to head back to the bus in like 30 minutes. Till then, just gonna chill. Food! They have so much veggie protein today. Lentils, beans, more beans. They had some kind of chickpea thing. So, once again, gonna eat a lot.